Welcome to Quick Chinese channel. Oh, hold on a second.
What are you doing?
Alright, now nobody knows me. Now I can teach you some of not so nice words.
Oh, okay.
So how do you say you are an idiot? Or when you hear some Chinese people say you are an idiot in Chinese, wouldn't you want to know?
I would like to know.
笨蛋, that's an idiot.
Okay, Bendan literally means stupid egg. It's mildly insulting and playful in tone depending on context. Often used jokingly among friends, but could still offend someone if said seriously.
笨蛋. So say it with me.
Bendan.
笨蛋.
Bendan.
笨蛋.
Bendan.
Perfect. Now, how do you say you are, right? You are an idiot. You are is 你是. Say it with me.
你是
你是笨蛋.
Bendan.
Together. 你是笨蛋.
你是笨蛋.
Now you know how to say you are an idiot. So let's learn how do you say I am. 我是笨蛋. Say it. 我是笨蛋.
Yes,
Yes, you are an idiot.